Shark is known for manufacturing abrasive cutting wheels, mini grinding discs, surface conditioning, and all the different types of abrasives that are used in mechanic shops and brake shops and muffler shops. With that being said, even though we're making these products, we still feel that it's necessary to use a hub cleaning tool, because you just cannot get to the actual base of the stud with our discs. You can get to the outer surfaces and the main surface, but you cannot clean the rust that builds up at the base of the stud. And that's a very important part of when you put a wheel back on, that contact surface right at the base of the stud. Some use just wire brushes. They use wire brushes. Some use mini grinding discs, 2-inch, 3-inch, 120, 80 grit grinding discs, and they'll just clean in between the stud, but they can't really get to the base of the stud. Then they're having to grab another tool, a wire brush, and so they're grabbing multiple different tools to complete the job, where the Stumpy will get it done one shot.